Hi guys, so these are just going to be notes for our parent function. So this is going to bring us into our next lesson. So what's important about this is there's no work being done here. I just want to show you that y equals the absolute value of x. What I want is the actual function and what it means, okay? Or in other words, written word, okay? So this is an absolute value function, okay? This is a quadratic function. This is a linear function, which we usually use the most. This is a rational function. This is a cubic function. And last one, this is a square root function. So on this is all I wanted you to know. These are notes for you to keep. So I just wanted you to know exactly which of each of these functions mean.